The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F. Daily pocket allowance in rupees is 11 to 13. Number of children is 7. Daily pocket allowance is 13 to 15. Number of children is 6. Daily pocket allowance is 15 to 17. Number of children is 9. Daily pocket allowance is 17 to 19. Number of children is 13. Daily pocket allowance is 19 to 21. Number of children is F. Daily pocket allowance is 21 to 23. Number of children is 5. Daily pocket allowance is 23 to 25. Number of children is 4. Solution. Given mean is equal to rupees 18. Daily pocket allowance in rupees. Number of children, that is Fi. Mid value, that is Xi, is upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2 and Fi Xi. When daily pocket allowance is 11 to 13, Fi is 7. Xi is 11 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 12. Fi Xi is 7 into 12 is equal to 84. When daily pocket allowance is 13 to 15, Fi is 6. Xi is 13 plus 15 by 2 is equal to 14. Fi Xi is 6 into 14 is equal to 84. When daily pocket allowance is 15 to 17, Fi is 9. Xi is 15 plus 17 by 2 is equal to 16. Fi Xi is 9 into 16 is equal to 144. When daily pocket allowance is 17 to 19, Fi is 13. Xi is 17 plus 19 by 2 is equal to 18. Fi Xi is 13 into 18 is equal to 234. When daily pocket allowance is 19 to 21, Fi is F. Xi is 19 plus 21 by 2 is equal to 20. Fi Xi is F into 20 is equal to 20F. When daily pocket allowance is 21 to 23, Fi is 5. Xi is 21 plus 23 by 2 is equal to 22. Fi Xi is 5 into 22 is equal to 110. When daily pocket allowance is 23 to 25, Fi is 4. Xi is 23 plus 25 by 2 is equal to 24. Fi Xi is 4 into 24 is equal to 96. Sigma Fi is equal to 44 plus F. Sigma Fi Xi is equal to 752 plus 20F. Mean X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi, which implies 18 is equal to 752 plus 20F by 44 plus F, which implies 18 into 44 plus F is equal to 752 plus 20F, which implies 18 into 44 plus 18F is equal to 752 plus 20F, which implies 20F minus 18F is equal to 792 minus 752, which implies 2F is equal to 40, which implies F is equal to 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. Therefore, missing frequency F is 20.